Hey guys, it's me, Thriftastic Mom. Today I'm whipping up a Greek salad for me and my husband and one of my subscriber friends here on YouTube. Her name is Terry. She asked me to just kind of show how I put my Greek salad together. Tonight I'm making just a regular Greek salad that we get from our local restaurant. We go to this Greek restaurant every now and then, and they just have a really nice Greek salad with chicken in it. And I make it pretty much the same way that they do. So I'm going to go ahead and get my chicken cooking. First, I got my pan over here warming up. And I got some chicken right here that I've actually had, just in the refrigerator inside of this Greek dressing, just kind of marinating for a couple hours. I'm going to go ahead and get it cooked because I like it to kind of get room temp. I don't like to put hot chicken on a salad. I like for it to be room temp chicken when I put it on the salad. So I'm going to go ahead and get that cooking, and then I will assemble the salad. I'm going to put a little bit of this dressing in my pan just so my chicken won't stick. There we go. This is just tenderloins. You can use regular chicken breast or the tenderloins, which I got. My husband likes a lot of chicken on his, so I do him like 3 tenderloins. And I do like 2 on mine. So I'm just going to let my chicken cook over here and get that ready. He's actually on his way home from work right now, so hopefully I'll get some of this recorded before he gets here. Alright, let me show you right quick what all I'm going to use. I got a piece of an onion that I'm going to put in it, a head of lettuce, some of these whole pepperoncinis, some crumbled feta cheese, my Greek dressing, picked that up at Walmart, just some tomatoes, and a cucumber, English cucumber, and my chicken, of course. And that's all I'm going to put into my Greek salad. It's very simple. Okay guys, I got about a half a head of lettuce in my bowl here, already washed and cleaned and chopped up. I'm going to add my cucumber and my tomatoes. I like to use, oh, I got the wrong end. I like to use the whole cucumber. I wash it and clean it and just slice it up. Just over how you like your cucumber. Just going to do mine like in 4s. And then just chop it up. You don't have to leave the outside on the cucumber if you don't want to. It's just, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Somebody wanted to see how I made my thing here. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is just cut up my tomatoes. Just simple. Chop them up. Like that in little pieces. Yeah, I was trying to get this done before you got home, but it didn't work that way. That tomato looks good, pretty and red. Did you check the mail? Okay, now I got my tomatoes in there. I only put one small tomato in there because me and my husband, neither one likes a lot of tomato in our salad. The next I'm going to put onion. I've already flipped my chicken over here. If you don't like onion, I guess you don't have to put onion. This is whatever you like. I like it. It's going to bring it up kind of small. Just ever how much you like. I know most of you know how to make a salad. You can leave it in big pieces like that, but whatever you want. Next thing I'm going to add is my pepperoncinis and my feta crumble cheese. Now I only got a few of these. The Greek place normally puts them whole, but I always chop them up just to have small bites. And normally a Greek salad has black olives, but my husband don't like olives, so I don't put olives in it. But if you're going to make a regular Greek salad, it goes with black olives. If you want your chicken to cook faster, you can actually cut it up. See, like over here I got it just in the tenderloins. You can cut that up if you want and let it cook that much quicker. Alright. Drain my peppers here. See, these are the pepperoncinis. And the Greek places put whole ones on there, but I don't like to do that. I always take, get my scissors. I always take my scissors and just kind of, I chop them up. I let the liquid go out of them into the salad. They do have little seeds in them. I try not to get the seeds in them. Just kind of chop around them. Just to give that pepperoncini flavor. But if you like the whole pepper in it, just put the whole pepperoncini in it. Whatever how you like to do it. Okay. A little bit of pepperoncinis in there. Mix that up. Okay, I got my chicken cut up. I just cut it into little small bite sizes to put on the salad. Pretty much done. I'm going to throw a little pepper on it. I just like pepper on my chicken. Now all I got to do is put in my feta cheese and top with my chicken when it cools down and put Greek salad dressing on it. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple and it's really good. Okay, I just put my chicken on my cooling right there so it can cool down a few minutes. Okay, I was wanting to tell you, this is feta. If you have never eaten feta, it kind of, to me, tastes like buttermilk, but a little better. It's really good on a lot of things, but it's really good in Greek salads. But I just put the amount of cheese, ever how much cheese you like, in the salad. Just like that. Okay, now I'm just going to plate up some of the salad. Now we'll put everything that goes in this in the description box below. Remember, put more pepperoncinis because I only have 3 left in my jar. I should have got some more. That way you could put as little or as much as you want in it. This is my husband's salad, and I'll top this with chicken. And then I'm going to put mine in this little red bowl. I usually eat my salads out of this bowl. I got all of this food from Walmart when I went and picked up my groceries the other day, and I'll say all the lettuce and the cucumbers and stuff is fresh. Well, the cucumber I got from Food Line. I forgot about that because I forgot to order one off Walmart, so I had to stop by Food Line and get one. But the lettuce and everything else came from Walmart, and they picked it out, and it's nice and fresh. Alright, I'm gonna get my chicken. Okay, here's my chicken. I had it in the refrigerator, just cooling it down a little. So now I'm just gonna put some on top of our salad. Like so. Just as little or as much as you would like. Now I'm going to sprinkle on some of this Kraft Greek dressing. I always like to shake it up good and make sure all the ingredients are work together good. And I just put on the dressing. It don't take a lot. This stuff's kind of stout, and the chicken is marinated in it, so there we go. And that's it. That is my version of a Greek salad. So I'm going to go and enjoy my dinner now. I hope you enjoyed seeing the way I whip up my Greek salad. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.